should I learn Angular today? Angular is a great career opportunity to increase your skills in the increasing job market of front-end development and full-stack development. As you know, Angular has a lot of the cutting-edge technologies to its belt, like Angular Materials, CDK, the CLI. The CLI is one of the strongest tools available these days for web development. You have the strong Angular compiler, which is really performance-wise. It's really strong. And you have the Angular Elements, which is a technology for embedding Angular code in any web page. And overall, it's really a really advanced framework which gives you the opportunity to design applications which are cutting edge. And also it's a useful skill. Let me tell you a little bit about Angular. With Angular, you can build next generation web apps which outperform desktop application. You can run them on any platform like mobile, desktop, and web. And also you can run them natively on your PC if you wish to. You can also cross-compile your application using frameworks to run on iOS and Android devices natively. So it's a really useful skill. When you learn Angular, you have the basis, you have the foundation to increase your skill exponentially in the programming area. And let me tell you something. There's a huge demand for people knowing Angular. It's becoming an increasingly huge demand. Like, as you can see from the Google search trends, over the time of the last 4 years, as you can see in the last 4 or 5 years, Angular searches increased over, I don't know, hundreds of times over daily. And as you can see, it's the most popular framework today, and it's only increasing. It's a trend that it's only increasing as the time goes by. And let me tell you something. The salaries for Angular jobs are amazing. In some areas of the US, Angular job can on average give you over $140. I mean, it's amazing. $140K a month, not a month, sorry, a year. So, I mean, it's really a great skill to know for over 100K a year, and it can give you a great life, great satisfaction, and it can enable you to only progress with your skills and with your life. So I'm sure that by now you're pumped up and ready to start learning Angular. So let's go.